Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cannoli pasta from scratch. First, gather your simple ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and a small pinch of salt. Combine these in a bowl, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, turn it out onto a clean surface and knead for about 10 minutes until it's wonderfully smooth and elastic. Wrap it tightly and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a perfect texture. Now that your dough has rested, it's time to roll it out. Using a pasta machine or a rolling pin, achieve a thickness of about 1 millimeter that's super thin. Next, cut your delicate pasta sheets into uniform rectangles, roughly 2 inches wide by 4 inches long. Carefully wrap each rectangle around a metal cannoli tube, ensuring the edges overlap slightly. Press those edges firmly together to create a secure seal, ready for cooking. With your pasta shells shaped, it's time to cook them. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the pasta wrap tubes for about 1 minute, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Carefully remove them and let them cool completely before gently sliding off the tubes. While they cool, prepare your classic filling. Combine 2 cups of ricotta cheese with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once your shells are cool and your filling is ready, it's time for the best part: assembly. Using a piping bag, generously fill each crispy cannoli shell with the sweet ricotta mixture. For a beautiful finish, dust them lightly with powdered sugar. You can also add a touch of elegance with candied orange peel or mini chocolate chips on the ends. Serve these delightful treats immediately to enjoy their perfect crunch and creamy center. Buon appetito!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.